Bafethu kuphakamisa ikhaphu Vandag iqembu lamakhosi matla abantwana isho ukuthini le medal athi ngiyibone boy athi ngiyibona ntwana isho ukuthini ayide nguwe
isho okukhulu kakhulu empilweni yami because medal yami yokuqala la Kaizer Chiefs and kule season I think ngicontribute kakhulu so it means a lot to me
ne ene yabona uhamba nobani boy uhamba nomamkhulu mamkhulu undodana udlalela amakhosi uzizwa kanjani
Umntana lo since waqala empilweni yakhe ibhola beyikhabejeke and uyayi-understand and since I'm so proud of
you so proud man
I'm so proud and
boyo uyombheka obhuqwini makadlala ebhuqwini bona ukuyombheka lapha makebhizi lapha kanje bodlalelani
bebanokuze ifamily yami yengisupporte kakhulu so ngijabulile ukubabona nabo bangibona i-career yami elevator so yeah they've been there from ngisakhula ngidlala ebhuqwini namanje professionally and basazongibukela endaweni eningi ngihamba
ntwana yami congratulations boy ene ngiyabona ukuthi before wenza everything uyahamba uyoshaya ntwana awujika athi ngibona ezali yakho ntwana athi ngibona
ayinokho manje
ne
for the made of grace ngifana mina umamkhulu wakhe okay chapo umahlaba uyathi bakushona mama ugogo wakhe and then bekangekho that because of bekuyisimo and then bengekayele that thing so kwamanje but ngithenje support ngitala mina
siyabonga kakhulu mamkhulu ntwana congrats boy ungasabheke emuva this is the beginning of good things ntwana yami ube mnandi uthi mamkhulu uqina boy ngiyabonga ntwana yami cheers